Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. OxygenOS 16 is available for almost all devices, but it didn't bring the most requested feature, that is OxygenOS dialer. Lots of users thought that OnePlus would introduce the OxygenOS dialer with OxygenOS 16 for all devices. It's currently only available on some flagship models like OnePlus 13s, OnePlus 13, OnePlus Nord 5, etc. None of the OxygenOS 15 devices except these mentioned one have the OxygenOS Dialer 8. But if you are a power user who have brought with the fully working OxygenOS Dialer and the messaging module that will work on any rooted OnePlus device for any region, including EU and the global running with OxygenOS 15. Who have already uploaded an old video will find that in the iCard, but that tutorial needs plenty of modules and setup. This module is simple one and easy to use, but you have to follow all the steps shown in the video carefully for proper functioning of this module. So watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. So here I am using OnePlus 9RT with port 8 OxygenOS 15 V870 version. You have to download these two Magics modules and the two APK files from the links given in the description. Open the Magix or the Kanasu application, flash the Contact Universal Zip module, and then flash ColorOS Message Enabler Zip module. Now reboot your device. After rebooting the app drawer, you will see the two new applications. One is OnePlus Dialer and another one is OnePlus Messages. Move this application on the home screen. Now install the in-call UI and the MMS APK files you have downloaded from the link as normal APK. Don't open any of the application. First go to the apps and under the apps management option, there search for the phone application. Give all the permission to this application. Next search for the messages. Give all the permission to this application. Similarly at the last, give all the permission to contact application. Now go to the applications and the default application. There set the phone application as a contact application and default messaging application as the new ColorOS messaging application. That's it. Now you can open the new OxygenOS dialer and enjoy it. You will get a new fresh look of OxygenOS dialer with the full screen contact image. Ongoing and incoming calls are minimizable and accessible while live alert notifications. Call recording without announcement will work for any region for EU and the global devices including India. This is the incoming call user interface of the dialer, which shows the full screen contact screen with the new call accept and reject menu. Automatic call recording with the different setting is fully functional in this dialer. Call block and the filter is also fully functional. Only AI call transcript and the summary is not working, except that all other things are working great. OxygenOS messaging application is also working good without any issues. I didn't tested this module for older OxygenOS versions, but it should also working from OxygenOS 12 to 15. You can try it and let us know in the comment section. This is the power of using rooted devices, which provide us ability to try different mods and enhance the productivity functionality of your older devices. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.